Hi guys, Ray from EPM. Today I'm just going to quickly show you the pre-production version of the heads-up display, and we made a choice to put the heads-up display in the middle panel here because it's way too hard to actually install something here for DIY, even a workshop setup. This is a much more serviceable part, so we actually remade this middle panel. And then this whole thing will be hidden inside this panel. So we'll make a left-hand side drive version and a right-hand side drive version. So just ignore this part for now. And I basically test this during the day, right in the sunshine, and also at night. It looks quite good. Just a few points, just so that you know, there is a slight double image there, but it looks like a 3D words, just like a word art. So to me it looks okay, and everything else looks fine. I think this is what it looked like from the driver's seat. You can see you know, between the A pillar and B pillar, this is kind of sitting in the middle of the car from the driver's angle. And then when you drive, you're not really looking straight, you're looking kind of slight towards the middle. So I think this is actually a good spot to have it. So a lot of people wanted this digital speedo on the dashboard, and now you have it. This is a first, I think, world's first mirrorless and dash integrated, so embedded heads-up display. So, and it's open for pre-order now, and we'll do our best to get it out, but at the same time we don't really want to rush it, so we want to keep the same quality as our previous products. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.